Welcome to WenTechno IT Solution and Academy, the place where data meets clarity, and learners become creators. We believe education should be practical, visual, and powerful. That's why our courses are built for action, not just theory. The course name is Data Visualization. Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. It transforms numbers, categories, and relationships into visuals like bar charts, line charts, maps, and dashboards. Here the question arises why we use data visualization. Have you ever looked at a massive spreadsheet and struggled to find meaning in all the numbers? What if you could turn that raw data into a story you can see? That's what data visualization does. Over 70% of people understand information better when it's presented visually, through images, charts, or graphs, rather than text or numbers alone. In this course you will learn all about the data visualization, how text turn into images. The instructor of this course will guide you throughout this course. From beginners to business analysts, our hands-on approach helps you master tools like Tableau, so you can turn raw data into real insight. By the time you finish, you won't just understand data, you'll be able to communicate it, visualize it, and make it matter. This is more than just a course. It's your journey into the world of visual analytics. Welcome to WenTechno IT Solution and Academy. Let's build your future in data, together. Enroll now.